Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Grizzly Naturals soap guides. Today, we're helping out in Santa's workshop. This is a Christmas limited offered by Grizzly Naturals. It is a scent both nostalgic and magical that captures the joy of making toys. But just how excited should we be working for our corporate overlord, Santa Claus? Well, let's get into this rustic brick. We'll begin with the unique ingredients. First up, let's take a gander at the essential oils. These are mainly going to help form the scent, but they also have some additional benefits as well. In today's blend, we have pine, cedar, fir, and guaiac wood, which can help provide some soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits, as well as relief to irritated skin. It also adds some antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. We then have cocoa, flaxseed, and pumice providing our medium grit today. This is going to help clear away dead skin and impurities, allowing the rest of the bar to clean deeper. Overall, we have a relaxing bar that looks to leave skin soothed. The scent is where this boy truly shines. It is described as wooden toys made in the North Pole, and that's pretty much what it is. I'll be honest, I love this scent. It does somehow perfectly capture that nostalgic vibe of wooden toys, which is strange because I don't recall ever having wooden toys, but I definitely get that vibe with this bar. It's like freshly cut wood. It's both woody and woodsy, as it does have some pine in there as well. It's like a freshly shaved wooden toy underneath a freshly cut Christmas tree. It's around a medium potency, but it does get stronger in the shower as you use it, and it's one of the very few bars that I can say I still smelled on my skin well after the shower. It's a pleasant and cozy scent that lives up to the hype. It's like a ride on the Polar Express without the trip through the uncanny valley. The bar also feels great to use. The medium grit provides a nice, consistent exfoliation. It is not too much nor too little. It cleans deep, and combined with that lingering scent, it leaves you feeling fresh after the shower. This is a bar where everything, the scent, the ingredients, the grit, complement each other very well. As for my thoughts, I really like the Santa's Workshop. It's easily one of my favorite Grizzly bars so far, as well as one of my favorite Christmas bricks. That nostalgic, woody, woodsy scent of wooden toys under the Christmas tree is a unique and nifty one, and the bar feels great with a nice medium grit. This is a creative yet simple bar from Grizzly, and I think one of their most promising flavors. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of Santa's Workshop? Would you apply to work there? Let me know if you get your hands on this nostalgic brick or any other Christmas boy. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!